ColorFit Pro 3 smartwatch. The Noise ColorFit Pro 3 comes in 6 color variants of jet blue, jet black, rose pink, rose red, smoke green and smoke grey. This Noise smartwatch flaunts a TrueView TM display with 500 nits of brightness that ensures you get bigger and clear pictures. This smartwatch comes with a display size of 1.5 inches that has a resolution of 320 by 360 pixels. The smartwatch has a 5 ATM water resistance rating, which means you do not have to worry about water spillage, sweat or rain while taking the watch out. This smartwatch comes with a built-in lithium-ion battery that offers up to 10 days of battery life. The Noise ColorFit connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. The smartwatch brings health-oriented features like 24/7 heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, stress monitor with guided breathing sessions and more. It also comes with auto walking and running detection and 14 sports modes. You can install the dedicated NoiseFit app and be at the top of your fitness with detailed progress reports. You can get smart notifications and reminders right on your smartwatch.